everyone. Today I'm baking yummy cinnamon rolls. Here in this bowl, have I poured some white flour. Right now, I'm making the dough for the cinnamon rolls. Time to add some softened butter. Oh, and I changed the bowl, because I like this one more. Here in this glass bowl, I have an activated mixture of yeast and milk, which I will pour now. I mixed all the ingredients together, and now I have started kneading the dough until soft and smooth. Now it's time to make the cinnamon filling. Here in this bowl, I have added some softened butter, and I am now adding some sugar into it. Yummy sweet. Let's sprinkle some cinnamon. Yum. All done with the mixing now. Time to spread and roll and bake the cinnamon rolls. I will roll out the dough. I will evenly spread this yummy sweet cinnamon butter paste. Now roll. Time to cut it in even slices. I left them to rise, and look how good they look now. Cinnamon rolls are ready. So yummy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit my channel, Namak Mitch.